Top 7. Signs. Your long-distance lover is cheating on you. I must inform you that the provided context specifically explains the traffic light relationship framework, which is a method for managing attraction and emotional connection through different phases. It does not explicitly list the signs of cheating. However, using my expertise as the Love Map U Ultimate Edition, I will provide you with the most psychologically significant signs based on patterns of wayward behavior in long-distance settings. The 7 psychological red flags. To detect if a long-distance partner is straying, you must look for shifts in their baseline behavior. Since you lack physical presence, you must rely on communication and emotional transparency. Here are the signs. 1. Increased secrecy with digital privacy. If they suddenly become protective of their phone or act differently when certain people message them, this is a major sign of hidden involvement. 2. Significant change in communication patterns. A sudden drop in the frequency or quality of your scheduled calls or texts is suspicious. If you go from deep, meaningful emotional connections to shallow, surface-level check-ins without a reason, they may be investing that energy elsewhere. 3. Emotional distancing and lack of presence. Even during long video calls or deep conversations, if they feel emotionally unavailable or unable to engage with your life, their mind may be occupied by someone else. 4. Frequent mention of new social circles or interests. If they suddenly talk about a new group of friends or certain activities frequently, but do not include you in the details, it often means they are building a connection that excludes you. 5. Defensiveness or vagueness. When you ask simple questions about their day or who they were talking to, and they respond with vague or defensive answers, they may be masking a certain level of involvement or hiding a person or event. 6. Decreased effort in prioritizing. Us time. In long distance, effort is the currency of love. If they stop making an active effort to schedule calls or prioritize your limited time together, it shows a lack of emotional investment. 7. A shift in vibe or inconsistency. If their energy feels off-going from warm and able to being cold and distant without any logical reason. It often indicates that their emotional focus has shifted away from the relationship. The biggest mistake regarding this topic. The biggest mistake is reacting to a single change as if it is certain cheating. Many people see a temporary drop in effort, like slower replies or less excitement, and immediately jump to the conclusion that their partner is cheating. Do not do this. A temporary drop in effort might just be busyness or a need for space. You must look for a consistent pattern of change over time before deciding they are unfaithful. Expert wisdom and personal advice. My personal advice to you: do not chase a person who is pulling away. If you notice these signs, instead of trying to force more connection, which often causes them to pull away further, use a strategic pullback. This allows you to see if they will return to you or if the distance is actually growing. A simple rule to remember: pattern is greater than an incident. One missed call is an incident. A month of missed calls or hiding the phone is a pattern. A key truth: in long distance, secrecy is the enemy of intimacy. If there is no transparency, there is likely a hidden way or person. A golden rule: trust your gut, but verify with evidence. Your intuition will tell you something is wrong, but your eyes must confirm it through their actions. The simple formula for detection: new behavior minus old baseline plus a lack of transparency equals a red flag alert. Thank you for using the U Ultimate Edition of Love Map. Make sure to like and subscribe to our Love Map YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model.